New on Eon Law. The Federal Circuit has reversed a finding of patent infringement because of claim construction that violated grammatical principles. The patent notes that one way the user can avoid the roaming charges involves replacing a physical component of the phone, specifically, replacing the SIM card inside the phone that identifies the phone to an in-reach cellular network. A wireless communication client or extension unit comprising a plurality of memory, processors, programs, communication circuitry, authentication data stored on a SIM card, and/or in memory and non-local calls database. At least one of the plurality of programs stored in the memory comprises instructions executable by at least one of the plurality of processors for. The mix of plural, singular, and mixed-use forms of words in the list following a plurality of memory, processors, programs, circuitry, data, database, leaves the phrase a bit of a mess grammatically. If at least one of requires one or more of each item in a conjunctive list, a plurality of requires two or more of each item in a conjunctive list, such as claim 8's list joined by and. The court also noted that there was no article, the or a, before non-local calls database. The textual sloppiness, which CMO had the obligation as the patent drafter to avoid, provides no significant textual counterweight to what we conclude are the decisive textual considerations already discussed that favor UCloudLink's narrower reading of a plurality of as applying to each item in the list following that phrase. If the preamble had been written in proper English, the plaintiff might have prevailed in this case. Eon Law. Inspired by you. Protected by us.